6 unique features of the Go 500 Studio. 1. It is an all-in-one kit that comes with a dual monitor, streaming encoder, USB recorder, and video switcher, making it a 4-in-1 portable solution. 2. The luggage design with wheels. The case is sturdy, durable, and provides easy mobility. 3. User memory, non-computer platform. Fast boot up, and it takes only one power button to start your program production. 4. High-quality 10-bit 1080p 5060 Full HD video switcher with HDMI input and output. 5. 4-channel audio mixer allowing independent or mixed adjustment of external analog audio and digital audio. 6. Quad multi-view and split screen via program output. Its versatility made it ideal for various applications, especially for the conferences. For more information on the Go Studio series, please visit our website.